Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your modular kitchen business. If you install modular kitchens, then manually responding to all the requirements and consultations can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will respond to all of these queries and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for Modular Kitchen. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general message like hi. And our chatbot responds with, "Welcome to Urban Space Modular Kitchens. We design modern, elegant and functional kitchen spaces tailored to your needs. Choose an option to get started," and it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says View Designs. And our chatbot responds with all the latest designs for modular kitchens such as L-shaped, parallel, island or S-shaped. And it has also provided us a clickable link to view all the designs. Next, I'm going to select pricing options, and our chatbot provides us all the pricing such as basic modular kitchen for 1200 to 1800 square feet, premium finish for 2000 to 3000 per square feet, and luxury range 3500 rupees plus per square feet. Final price depends on size, material and finish. Lastly, I'm going to select the option to book a visit, and our chatbot is asking for preferred date. So here I'm going to send my preferred date like this. And it says our team will confirm the visit on this given date shortly. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for modular kitchen business. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for your modular kitchen. On the screen, there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex, and regex can activate the chatbot with any keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex, and from here we can choose any template to send to the user. Now we are going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I am going to add a welcome message. Like this, and it will appear like this to the user. Here we have added asterisk signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here with the help of add button option, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this, and now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option. So let's begin with view designs. And for this, I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add all the designs like this. And it will appear like this to the user, and here we have also added a clickable link towards the example of modular kitchens. Next, I'm going to curate a response for pricings, and for this again I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add all the pricings like this. Here I'm going to add asterisk signs, and it will appear like this to the user. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for book a visit, and for this I'm going to access the action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. I'm going to place it here and link it to the corresponding quick reply option. And here I'm going to ask questions related to visit. Like this, and here we have asked for preferred date. So in the contact custom field, I'm going to select date, and as format, I'm going to select date, and then you can provide multiple number of attempts or a validation message. I'm going to leave it empty. If you want to learn how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. Now with the help of text button, I'm going to create a confirmation message like this, and it will appear like this to the user. Our team will confirm the visit on $date shortly. Date was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual date sent by the user. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.